BetterDeal AI just dropped, and in this review, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new software. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing exactly how to get started with BetterDeal for free. Yes, free. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. Now, if you've been following AI software releases, you know that the market is flooded, but BetterDeal AI stands out, especially if you're in the digital marketing space. Whether you're looking to boost sales, streamline workflows, or enhance customer experience, this tool has the potential to do it all. But how does it compare to others? Let's dive in. First up, BetterDeal AI focuses heavily on improving customer interactions. The software leverages advanced algorithms to personalize communication, making it feel more human. This means no more robotic, generic responses that turn your customers away. BetterDeal helps you connect on a deeper level with your audience, something you need in today's competitive digital landscape. One of the most impressive features is its dynamic pricing model. Using AI, BetterDeal optimizes your pricing strategy based on real-time data, helping you stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're running an e-commerce site or a SaaS business, this can massively increase your profitability by automatically adjusting prices to maximize sales while maintaining customer loyalty. But pricing isn't the only area where BetterDeal AI excels. The software is packed with automation tools that can handle tasks like customer follow-ups, product recommendations, and even email marketing campaigns. Think of it as your new virtual assistant, able to save you hours each week. This makes it an ideal solution for business owners who want to focus on growth rather than getting bogged down by repetitive tasks. Another feature worth mentioning is its analytics dashboard. You can track everything from sales performance to customer engagement metrics. BetterDeal AI gives you clear insights into what's working and what's not, so you can make informed decisions quickly. This real-time data is gold for anyone running digital marketing campaigns or managing an online store. Now, let's talk integration. BetterDeal works smoothly with other popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, and even Google Analytics. This is crucial because in the digital marketing world, the ability to connect your tools is a game changer. No need to worry about switching platforms or data silos. BetterDeal handles it seamlessly, ensuring everything is connected and working together. The software is also designed with scalability in mind. Whether you're a small business or managing a large enterprise, BetterDeal grows with you. The features are customizable to fit your needs, and the user-friendly interface ensures you don't need a degree in data science to make the most of it. And finally, the AI itself. What sets BetterDeal apart from other software on the market is how quickly it learns and adapts to your business. Over time, it gets smarter, offering more accurate suggestions and automations. This kind of machine learning capability is what makes BetterDeal truly stand out as one of the best newly released AI tools available right now. If you're looking to try BetterDeal AI for yourself, you can get started for free. Just click the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and BetterDeal ranks highly among my top recommendations for its blend of powerful features and ease of use. And before you go, don't forget to check out my other recommended AI software in the description, which you can also try for free. These tools have helped me streamline my own business operations, and I'm sure they can do the same for you. So, to wrap it up, BetterDeal AI is a must-try if you're serious about optimizing your digital marketing efforts. From personalized customer interactions to automated workflows and dynamic pricing, this software is a game changer. Try it out for free today and see for yourself why it's quickly becoming one